Really?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Protected. My name is Eric. In today's episode, we are doing our final Tesla Model 3 Resurrection Series video, where I'm going to be going over the entire car, what we all did to it, what we all fixed, repaired, replaced, going over the total costs. And at the end of this video, we're going to be calling the actual winner of this car, and we're going to get their reaction on camera. So with all that being said, let's get into it. We'll start off with the big one, the actual purchase of the car. So we purchased this car on March 12th, so just shy of 3 months ago. It's a 2019 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. It had 609,000 kilometers on it, almost 610,000. And we bought this car, taxes in, everything, for $14,072.77 Canadian. From there, we had to replace the front bumper because the old front bumper had a big scrape taken out of it over here to the point where we couldn't even properly fix that. You could actually see right through it. So it needed a whole new front bumper. So we bought that, got that primed and ready so we could wrap it. That bumper with the prime was $1,756.91. From there, after that, we brought the car back, and we wanted to do a battery health test on it because that was the kind of the big question mark, is how much was left of that high mileage battery. And we wanted to do our health test, but we ran into some issues with that, had some codes that needed to get cleared. So we had to bring the car to Tesla Winnipeg for them to clear those codes. And I had them do an overall vehicle inspection as well too. And one of the things I wanted them to do was to verify that the battery that was in the car was the original battery. And they verified indeed that it was. But we also had some repairs that needed to get done there. So the Tesla vehicle inspection was $381.02. To remove all the codes, $313.93. They had to replace the super bottle in the battery. I don't know what that is, but apparently that is what was causing us the problems from running our internal battery health test. And that was $1,594.23. Going back to when we bought the car, it was safetied in the province of Manitoba. And I don't remember why we had brought it to AutoWorks, the mechanic shop here in Winkler, where we're located in, but the horn didn't work. And that is obviously crucial for obvious reasons. And so for them to replace the horn assembly was $438.81. Kind of wish that would have been replaced before we bought the car, seeing as that is an actual item that you need to have working for a vehicle to pass safety inspection. So once we had done the battery health test, we had seen that the health test, or that the battery health on the original battery, was 70%. We knew we wanted to replace the battery, so we got connected through my buddy Nick on X. He connected us with All Set Road Ready Solutions. I think I got it right the first time. They're out in Hamilton, Ontario. They do all kinds of work and repairs on electric vehicles. I think mostly just Teslas. And so he hooked us up with a replacement battery from a 2023 Model 3. That battery is LFP. It had 15,000 kilometers on it. That battery was $8,500. Because of the work that was done putting that battery in, apparently that battery weighed a little bit more than what the original battery weighed in this car. They had to replace the struts and the suspension. So that was $500. So we have a suspension system in here from a 2024 and newer Model 3 Highland. So drives really good now. We had to get a full 4-wheel alignment. That was $150. So that takes care of all the repair work that was done to it. From there, a bunch of miscellaneous things that we had done. The key cards that this car came with, they were all warped and bent, and they had looked like they had been through the washer and dryer about 50 times. So we replaced the key cards from Tesla with new ones. That was $78.40. Going around to the interior of the car, we got Tesla's all-weather floor mats and trunk liners. and the car needs to be cleaned right now a little bit. But you can see they're properly fit to the vehicle. And personally speaking, I think with Teslas, if you're gonna get floor mats for the car, go with the ones from Tesla. They do fit best out of all the cars I've owned. They are the best sets of floor mats that you could get, in my opinion. Now, going over here to the wheels. These are the Martian MW05s. These are 20-inch and they're from Martian Wheels. They're in satin bronze. Those wheels cost us $3,478.60. The tires that are on it, the Continental Extreme Contact All-Season tires, those were $1,709.95. Now, obviously, we're gonna get to the wrap. I do need to say that this Gloss Sierra Green Metallic, it is from Arlon. Tony, the guy who did all the vinyl wrap on this car, he works with Arlon as a vinyl wrap trainer there, and he was able to get this wrap completely covered by Arlon, so that color change didn't cost us nothing. Shout out to Arlon, thank you very much for that. From there, we wrapped the entire car in our Defense Plus gloss paint protection film. That, obviously, our own product. So we didn't have the cost on that. We had to do a lot of paint repairs to the car so we could actually get it ready to do the wrap. Miscellaneous expenses were $125.91 for the paint repairs. Inside the door jambs, we wrapped those satin black, just because satin black with the green and the gold there on the kick plate, it's a really nice contrast, looks really good. That cost us $537.18. One repair that we had to do on the car was we needed to replace these liftgate stoppers right over here. Now, we have them fixed and repaired and put together, but they ended up getting stripped, right? Yeah. So the originals, we were trying to remove them. Then the originals ended up getting stripped. To replace those, we bought those from Tesla. That cost us $30. Now, the final expense is the window tint. So we got this tinted by a local company here where we're at. The window tint cost us $252 even. And I believe that this is a Solar Guard ceramic tint. This is 50% up front, and I want to say it's 20% in the rear. We didn't do nothing on the front windshield. We didn't do nothing on the back window. So, drum roll, will you? Total cost for this car, including purchasing the car, $34,919.36. So that is a question that we have been seeing lots in our comments throughout this entire Tesla Resurrection series, is how much are you guys putting into it? Obviously, that's a lot of money to put into a car that's got 620,000 kilometers, I think it is, on the odometer now. But yeah, that is the total cost of this car. When you catch us next time, we'll be on the phone with the winner. All right, so today's the big day. We're gonna select the winner of the Model 3. All of the hard work that our entire team has put into this project since March 12th has finally come to an end. I shouldn't say finally. We had a lot of fun doing it. Stressful, but yeah, so we're gonna select the winner right now, and then we're gonna give them a call, and here's hoping they answer, because wouldn't that be awkward? But before we select the winner, you guys are probably gonna be curious how many entries we got. And total entries we got were 62,733 entries. So let's select that winner. Here we go. You're about to type confirm and confirm. Rajesh Reddy, first place. So the car is going to California. Let's get him on the phone.
Hello?
Hi, is this Rajesh? Hey, it's Eric from Drive Protected calling. How are you?
Hey, Eric, I'm good. How are you?
Good. Hey, so you bought a DIY PPF wrap kit from us on May 16th, correct? For your 2026 Model Y?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Awesome. Were you aware that there was a giveaway happening on our website at the time you purchased that?
No, I wasn't.
You weren't?
Yeah.
It's your lucky day. Because the giveaway ended last night at midnight last night, and we did our draw this morning, and you were the winner. The purchase that you made entered you into winning the giveaway. And I just have one question for you. Do you have room on your driveway for another Tesla?
I do. Yes.
You do have room on your driveway for another Tesla.
I
Well,
do. Yeah.
Do you mind if I put you on FaceTime right now? I'm just gonna flip you around right now. Sorry, just having issues.
Okay.
This is the car that you won. So it's a 2019 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. We bought this car the beginning of March this year, so just a few months ago. At the time, it was the highest mileage Tesla Model 3 for sale in all of North America. And we bought the car and we put a whole new battery in it. Well, it was a slightly used battery. Obviously you can see we wrapped it, we tinted it, we did a custom set of wheels on it. And we did a whole bunch of other stuff to it. And yeah, this is what we were in the process of giving away. So I know you mentioned it when you placed your order that you had no idea that there was a giveaway going on, but yeah, it's your lucky day. So you got this car.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Yeah. Okay.
All right, so we just got off the phone with Rajesh in California. He's super excited to be the winner of this Tesla Model 3 that he had no idea he was actually entered for. And it's super funny because he's got a Model X, a Cybertruck, a Model Y Performance, and now a Model 3. So of course he has room on his driveway for another Tesla. I just want to take a minute to thank each and every person, whether you watched our videos during this series, whether you subscribed to our channel, whether you bought something in hopes to win this car. I can't thank you guys enough for your support. Upon behalf of the whole entire team here at Drive Protected, your support means the world to us. And this isn't the last giveaway we're gonna do, because in just a couple of weeks, we're gonna be launching the next project that we're gonna be doing here at Drive Protected. It won't be with a Model 3. I don't know if I'm gonna give it away. I'm not gonna give it away. You just gotta subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.